Hello, it's Professor Hanley. As you can tell, I am not in my office. I am traveling. I'm actually in North Carolina for Labor Day. I'm actually going to make a pretty short lecture here just to give you some information and to do some updating on the class. It looks like the majority of you want to do live lectures, and it looks like a good time for all of us would be Wednesdays at 6 p.m. So what I will do between now and next Wednesday is figure out exactly how to do that, and I'll send you all an email about how we'll do it. GoToMeeting, if anybody knows, like if you guys want to just let me know how your professors have done it in the past, then that would be awesome if they've done it. If not, then I will figure it out and we will do it together. Um, Instead of doing a whole lecture with your slides, because I can't, I am going to share some other history of management, history of leadership videos in the course content as well as some slides. If you have any questions, if you need anything, you can contact me. And of course, email is always the best way because it goes to my phone and I can respond. Um, Great. I hope you guys have a great week, and I look forward to having a live conversation with you next Wednesday at 6 p.m. Happy Labor Day. Hope you're having a good long weekend.